Today we'll be showing you how the GelSight Mobile can measure the solder point on a printed circuit board of a GelSight mobile device. Let's take our scan of the solder points with the GelSight Mobile. We can zoom in to showcase what we want to record. Let's select this area of the solder point to measure and record. Now that we have recorded the target area, let's save the PDF of our report. To learn more about GelSight and receive a PDF of the report from this scan, please click below.